Hi guys, my name is Kelsey and this is my little brother, Kyrie. So today we're going to be opening Shopkins and fingerlings. But so if you don't know these toys, this is fingerlings and this is Shopkins. And we're going to be showing you Hatchimals too. Okay, here, what do you want to open? Come here. Hatchimals, and there's no Hatchimals to open. And we're going to be showing you Hatchimals. I said it to you, right?
And I want to open this.
So I'm going to open fingerlings.
And I'm going to open Shopkins.
Show it properly, Kanye.
Shopkins.
Go closer.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Okay, let's open it.
Okay, sorry guys. Sorry about that. So look, Kyrie, take them behind. So I have lots of Hatchimals. I have lots of Hatchimals, and I might get some of them. And Kyrie, show them. Kyrie, you have to say it because you're opening it.
Well, I have 7 Hatchimals, and I have
Sorry, excuse me.
Look how much.
So guys, this is Shopkins, not Hatchimals. Look at it. There's lots of Shopkins you might get. I mean, you can already see it. Okay.
And there's
now we're gonna open it. Come, Kyrie.
And it's the same one. See?
Hi. Just kidding. Sorry.
Just kidding. Sorry.
Come over here. Now, 1, 2, 3, open. I opened mine already. So I got this fingerling, the white one, and the blue one. Oh, sorry, I'm covering his face. The face. And then I got some accessories and a handle or something. And I got the thing where we can see who we got. And we got trash. Oh.
Yay!
And we got a fingerling too. And I don't know. This is the thing. What fingerlings are there? This is trash. This is trash. We're gonna show you. So I'm gonna open my white thing.
I'm going to open
take it out. Take the Shopkins out and then show them. So you can talk too. This is our channel. And remember, our parents are still there. They're still there. They're still there playing with their friends. And my mom is sleeping. I hope it did. I popped it. Did you hear that, guys?
Popped it. Hey guys, and I got this. I don't know what this is, but I showed you this.
And I got a white one, a white fingerling, and this one is glittery. And I got an orange fingerling, and over here it has patterns. You see it, the patterns, and look at that. And I think you don't see the glitter, do you? See?
And hello guys.
Open my blue one. I'm gonna open it.
Wait, you guys do.
Oh
Hey guys, and this is a drink. What it says there, and I don't know what it says there.
Okay, I'll say it. It says flower. It's flower.
So flower.
He doesn't know how to read because he's just 5 years old still. He still doesn't
And
know
I'm turning 6 and 7.
Yep, I'm 7 already. I got this blue one and this dark one. Look
And
over
here's
there.
the
See? It's nice.
And here's the other